This video guide is about removing the ransomware called ASD. ASD is a ransomware type program that belongs to the VoidCrypt ransomware family. On our test computer, this ransomware encrypted files and renamed them. This video will demonstrate to you what exactly this ransomware does with the files and how damaging this ransomware is. So before the ransomware attack, customers are able to open their files without any complications. But due to certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be easily injected into the system, and then pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened and that they cannot use their files anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and also appends them with a special unique ID, the cybercriminal's email address, and finally the ASD extension. So pretty soon you'll see how exactly this ransomware affects the files. So as I said, after the main file extension you see some unique identifiers, some email address, and finally the special extension, which is ASD or cracker in some cases. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. It tells that after paying the ransom, the files would be restored. However, paying the ransom surely does not guarantee the file restoration, so you must not pay the ransom. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to get rid of this ransomware from your computer. We suggest that you go to Program Files directory in your Windows Explorer, start Internet Explorer as the only available browser. Then we recommend you to go to the special page called combocleaner.com in order to download Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. So once again, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner antivirus in order to detect this ASD ransomware and to remove this particular ransomware effectively. combocleaner.com. This is the button to download the software. Install the program and then begin researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin investigating your system and will soon give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats. Its anti-ransomware feature allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will be protected against a ransomware attack. So simply wait until the scanning is completed to see the summary of threats. So after the scanning has been successfully completed, you will then see the full summary of threats on your system, including their exact location. Even though you may manually go to these locations, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license in order to delete all these threats automatically from your system and have your system protected in the future.